Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AdMath. AdMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O-level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we did question number 2, 3 and 4 from exercise 16.2. The topic is applications of integration in kinematics. Today we are going to do some more questions from this exercise, but before I start question number 5, I would suggest all those students who are watching my lecture first time, kindly go to my playlist. There is a folder, name is AdMath. Watch previous lectures of this exercise. Definitely after watching previous lectures, you will have good command on this topic. Let's start question number 5. Very important question. A particle moving in a straight line passes through a fixed point O. Its velocity v meters per second after passing through O is given by v is equals to 4 e 2t plus 6 e minus 3t. Part A. Part A show that the velocity is never zero. Velocity cannot be equals to 0. How to show that? Just replace v, the velocity, by 0 is equals to 4 e 2t plus 6. This is e power minus 3t can be converted as e power 3t. So 0 is equals to, taking the LCM of e power 3t, e power 3t multiplied by e power 2t. If bases are same, then powers are added. It is e power 5t plus 6. This is the LCM. This e power 3t must be multiplied by 0, so it is equals to 0. 4 e power 5t plus 6 is equals to 0. 4 e power 5t is equals to minus 6. E power 5t is equals to minus 6 upon 4. E power 5t is equals to minus 3 upon 2. Now, if we want to find the value of t, we must take ln on both sides. So ln e power 5t is equals to ln minus 3 upon 2. ln and e cancel, 5t is equals to. If you find the value of ln minus 3 upon 2, ln means logarithm, you will get math error in your calculator, which can be right not admissible, because ln can never be defined by negative value. This shows that, or you can write this implies that, this is the sign of implies that. This implies that velocity is never 0, shown The requirement has fulfilled. Show that the velocity is never zero. Okay students, so very easy but very important part according to examination point of view. Come to part B. Find the acceleration at t is equals to ln2. So you have velocity given 4e 2t plus 6e minus 3t. How to obtain acceleration with the help of velocity? Just differentiate the velocity with respect to time. So dv by dt, which is equals to a acceleration 4 e2t, 4 e2t, derivative is 4 e2t, but multiply by the derivative of 2t, which is 2, plus 6 e minus 3t, derivative is e minus 3t, multiply by minus 3t derivative, which is minus 3. So 4 to the 8 e 2t plus minus minus 6 e minus 3t is equals to, this is the acceleration, but we need to find the numerical value of acceleration. Find the acceleration when t is equals to ln2. So put ln2 where you see t. We need to find the value of acceleration at t is equals to ln2. So 8 e 2t ln2 minus 6 e minus 3 t ln2. So if you use your scientific calculator, you can easily find the final answer, which is equals to 29.75 ms minus 2. 29.75 ms minus 2. Or if I show you the working 8 e, this 2 must become the power of ln. So 8 e ln 2 square is 4 minus 6 e ln 2 power minus 3 is 1 upon 8. Ln and e cancel. So 8 into 4 minus 6 into 1 upon 8, ln and e cancel. So 32 minus 6 upon 8. Sorry, one thing which I forgot, 3, this 3 must be multiplied by 6, so it is 6 3s are 18. This is my mistake. 18. $18. 18 and 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, 9 upon 4. 29.75. So these are the steps I do for you, because some students confuse that how to evaluate e power something and ln something. So this is the final answer of part B. Now come to part C. What is part C? Find to the nearest meter the displacement of the particle from O when t is equals to 2. Very easy. How to obtain displacement with the help of velocity? We just integrate with respect to time. So part C is displacement is equals to integrate from 0 to 2 v dt is equals to, what was the equation of velocity? 4e 2t integrate 0 to 2 4e 2t plus 6e minus 3t dt. So displacement S is equals to 4 e2t is e2t upon 2 plus 6 e minus 3t upon minus 3. Apply the limit from 0 to 2 is equals to 2 to the 4 2 e power 2t 3 to the minus 6 e power minus 3t 0 to 2. Now use the scientific calculator to simplify it. 2 e power 2t 2 to the 4 minus 2 e power 2 into 0. I am applying the limit. This is the limit of 2 e power 2t minus 2 e power minus 3 to the minus 6 minus 2 e power minus 3 into 0 is 0. E power 4 minus e power 0 is 1. It is minus 2 e power minus 6 minus 2 e minus minus plus 2 e power 0 is 2. 2 cancel by 2. 2 e power 4 minus 2 e power minus 6. Now find the value with the help of calculator. (109.19) round off to 109 meters. This is the final answer of part C, and this is question number 5. So hope you enjoy whole question, very important. All questions of this exercise are very important according to examination point of view. So kindly do practice of these kind of questions, especially from past papers. Move to question number 6. Sorry, especially question number 5. Now move to question number 6. Question number 6 is a particle moves in a straight line so that t seconds after leaving a fixed point O. Students, keep in mind, fixed point means the time is 0. Its velocity v meters per second is given by v is equals to p t square plus qt minus 12, where p and q are constants. When t is equals to 2, the acceleration of the particle is 18 meters per second square. When t is equals to 4, the displacement of the particle from O is 32 meters. Find the value of p and the value of q. Very easy question. First, find the acceleration with the help of differentiation dv by dt, which is equals to acceleration. Pt square is 2 pt plus qt, derivative is q, minus 12, derivative is 0. Acceleration is given, which is equals to 18. So 18 is equals to 2p plus q. 18 is equals to 2p plus q. Now sorry, one mistake. 18 is equals to 2pt plus q. Now the time given is 2, t is equals to 2. So 18 is equals to 2p2 plus q. So 18 is equals to 2 to the 4p plus q. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. 18 is equals to 4p plus q. Now see second line of the question. When t is equals to 4, the displacement of the particle from O is 32 meter. Is 32 meter. It means we have velocity which is given. V is equals to pt square plus qt minus 12. If we integrate velocity with respect to time, we will get displacement. So integrate pt square plus qt minus 12 dt. So s is equals to pt square integration is pt cube upon 3 plus q t square upon 2 minus 12 t plus c. C is the constant of integration. So first we have to find the value of constant of integration, that is c. You know, when at t is equals to 0, the displacement must be equals to 0. So if we replace s by 0, pt cube upon 3t is 0, qt square upon 2t is 0, minus 12tt is 0, plus c. This implies that c is equals to 0. So our displacement of equation number 1 becomes s is equals to pt cube upon 3 plus qt square upon 2 minus 12t plus 0. No need to write 0. But this displacement occurred when the value of t is 4. You can see in third line of question. So put t is equals to 4. So s is equals to p t4 4 cube upon 3 plus q 4 square upon 2 minus 12 into 4. S is equals to p 4 cube is 64 upon 3 plus q 4 square is 16 upon 2 minus 12 4 is 8. S is equals to 64 p upon 3 plus 2 8 is 16q minus 48. And now, what is the value of displacement? See this. When t is equals to 4, the displacement is 32. Now replace s by 32, which is given in the question. 64p upon 3 plus 8q minus 48. (32) plus 48 is equals to 64 upon 3 plus 8q (32) plus 48 is 80. 64 upon 3 plus 8q cancel the whole equation by 8. 8 tens are 80. 8 8s are 64. 8 ones are 8. Now taking 3 is the LCM. Ten is equals to 3. 8p plus 3 into q is 3q. 3 tens are 30. 8p plus 3q. This is equation number 2. Now solve these two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2, simultaneously. What was equation number 1? Four p plus q is equals to 18. Four p plus q is equals to 18, equation number 1, and 8p plus 3q is equals to 30. So if we multiply equation number 1 by 2, so 2 4s are 8p into 2q, 18 2s are 36. 8p plus 33 3q is equals to 30. Subtract both the equations, cancel. 2 minus 3 is minus q, and 36 minus 30 is 6. Hence the value of q is minus 6. Put this value of q is equals to minus 6 in any one of the equation. So I am put in equation number 1. So 4p plus q is equals to 18. 4p, q is minus 6, is equals to 18. 4p is equals to 18 plus 6 is 24, and p is equals to 6. Hence p is equals to 6 and q is equals to minus 6. This is our final answer of question number 6. So very interesting question and very easy question, and also very important. Expertise is increased when you do more and more and more of same kind of questions. Now move to question number 7. Question number 7 is, a particle moving in a straight line passes a fixed point O with velocity 10 meters per second. It means at point O the velocity is 10 meters per second. Its acceleration a meters per second square t seconds after passing through O is given by a is equals to 3 minus 2t. Find the value of t when the particle is instantaneously at rest. Instantaneously at rest means v must be equals to 0. So first we have to find the value of velocity by integrate acceleration with respect to time. Integrate 3 minus 2t dt. So this will gives us v. 3 integration is 3t minus 2t squared upon 2 plus c. So v is equals to 3, t minus 2 cancel by 2, t square plus c. According to question, at point O means time is 0. When t is 0, then v is 10, which is given in the question. You can read first line again. A particle moving in a straight line passes a fixed point O with velocity t 10 meters per second. So replace v by 10 is equals to 3 into t. T is 0. 0 minus 0 square is 0 plus c. Hence c is equals to 10. So v is equals to 3t minus t square plus 10. Now come to our main requirement. Our requirement is in part A, find the value of t when the particle is instantaneously at rest. Now instantaneously at rest means the velocity is 0. So 0 is equals to 3t minus t square plus 10, or you may write it t square minus 3t minus 10 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and you students are very expert to solve the quadratic equation. I am solving directly in my calculator. One value is 5 and the other value is minus 2. But you know time can never be equals to negative value. So it is 5 seconds. This is the answer of part A after solving a quadratic equation. T is equals to 5 seconds. So hope you completely understand part A. Now move to part B. Sketch the velocity time graph for the motion of the particle. Very easy question. In order to sketch the graph, sketch means no need of graph paper, but you have to draw at least x and y axis with the help of pencil and scale, just like I am drawing. So students, this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, this is origin where both the values are 0. On x-axis we have to plot t, on y-axis we have to plot v. We have two value of time, that is minus 2 and 5. So you can say this point is minus 2 and this point is 5. And at t is equals to 0, the velocity is 10. This is also given. Okay, so our graph must be passes through minus 2 and in this case no need of turning point, otherwise we are very able to find the turning point, but turning point is not necessary in this question. We just draw the graph of this is the sketching. But students, you must keep on your mind, time can never be defined negative, so we must why I draw this, just showing it, otherwise this is not necessary. So this is your graph. Your graph is start from 10 and then 5 and then move to cross the 5. This is our graph of part B. So hope you understand. Now move to part C. Find the total distance traveled in the first 7 seconds of its motion. So you know, velocity time graphs can give you the total distance, but this is 0 and this is 5, after 5 6, and you can say this is 7, this is 7. So if you draw a line from this and So 0 to 5 and 5 to 7. You know how to find the distance with the help of velocity time graph. We just need to find the area. And how to find the area of the curve? We just integrate. So what is our equation of velocity? Our equation of velocity is v is equals to v, which we have already found. V is equals to minus t square plus 3t plus 10. Minus t square plus 3t plus 10. This is our velocity. And now we need to find the area. Area under the curve means we have to integrate. So first we have to integrate. S is equals to integrate from 0 to 5 minus t square plus 3t plus 10 dt plus integrate from 5 to 7 minus t square plus 3t plus 10 dt. Now calculate this, very easy. Minus t square is minus t cube upon 3 plus 3t square upon 2 plus 10t. Limit 0 to 5 plus minus t cube upon 3 plus 3t square upon 2 plus 10t. Limit from 5 to 7. And now it's a time to apply the limit. You must be masters in using scientific calculator. So minus 1 upon 3 t cube, 5 cube is 125 and 0 cube is 0, plus 3 upon 2, 5 square is 25 minus 0 square is 0, plus 10, 5 minus 0. This is the limit from 0 to 5. Now I am working on from 5 to 7. So minus 1 upon 3, 7 cube. Seven cube is 343 minus 5 cube is 125 plus 3 upon 2, 7 square is 49 minus 5 square is 25 plus 10, 7 minus 5. Calculate it. S is equals to minus 125 upon 3 plus 75 upon 2, 10 5s are 50, 343. This is 343. 50 minus 343. Why I put T over here, I don't know. Three 43 into 1 is minus 343. Sorry, it's my mistake. Minus 1 upon 3. 343 minus 125 is 218. Plus 3 upon 2, 49 minus 25 is 24. Plus 10, 7 minus 5 is 2. Now first I have to do working on these three with the help of scientific calculator. minus 125 upon 3 plus 75 upon 2 plus 50 is 275 upon 6. Minus 218 upon 3 plus 12 3 is 36, 10 2 is 20. कहना अभी वो मसरूफ है 10 मिनट कहना जाओ कहना वो कह रहा गाँव के बाद कर देना. S is equals to 36 and 20 is 56. कैलकुलेटर ले लिया. Now simplify the whole expression. One 75 upon 6. One 75 upon 6, but there is some mistake because our answer is not matching, so I am checking all steps again. One upon 3, 343 minus 125 is 218. 49 minus 25 is 24, 36, and 10 2s are 20. Two 75 upon 6 minus 218 upon 3 plus 36 plus 20. Okay, I am checking again. I think there is some mistake. 275 upon 6 is okay. So 7 cube. $343, no mistake. Minus 5 cube is 125, no mistake. Then 3 upon 2, 7 square is 49 and 5 square is 25. Then plus 10, 7 minus 5. So 343 minus 125 is 275 upon 6 is good, no mistake. Minus 1 upon 3, 7 cube is 343, and minus 5 cube is 125. Plus 3 upon 2, 7 square is 49, and 5 square is 25. Plus 10, 7 minus 5. What is the answer of this question in the book? Exercise 16.2 question number 6. Sorry, 7. 62.5. Okay students, I found the mistake. Actually, limit from 5 to 7 is below the x-axis. So we have to put modulus sign over here. Modulus sign means the final answer must be positive. Okay, the final answer must be positive. I am rubbing this. Plus, first we have to solve minus 218 plus 36 plus 20, which is minus 50 upon 3. So 275 upon 6 After modulus it is equals to plus 50 upon 3. Simplify it. The answer is 125 upon 2, which is equals to 62.5 meters. This is the final answer of part C. So hope you understand. Sorry for that inconvenience. I forgot the concept of the area below the curve. I didn't put modulus sign. That's why I felt difficulty in this region from 5 to 7. But it's done. Mistake has recovered. This is question number 7. And student, this is our today's class where we did first question number 5, 6 and 7. How many questions are left? Check this. Exercise 16.2. Today we did till question number 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. No issue. I will finish all remaining 4 questions in next lecture. So student, this is our today's class. Kindly do practice, and if you feel any difficulty, you can write in comment box. I will help you. Kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my lectures, as many as you can. Okay students, good luck for next